Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm doing a video on this all new brand new Polo we've currently got for sale. So I'm doing a walk around, also an interior video, go through some of the features. There's loads of spec that's been recently added on this lovely new Polo facelift. For the brand new car, you've got your 3 years warranty as well as a 12 months roadside assistance for that peace of mind. Now got these full LED headlights, standard with these striking LED daytime running lights which make the car look fantastic. We've got plenty of assistance systems such as your adaptive cruise control on here now. So it maintains the same distance between you and the car in front and also decelerate for slow moving traffic. You've got these new design alloy wheels. This car's finished in pure white as well. Just moving into the rear of the vehicle, you've got these lovely new seats, nice pattern on them with the contrasting white stitching. You've got cream headlining, really brightens up the interior, and a couple of new USB-C type charging devices there. You've got ISOFIX points for the outer seats for any younger passengers. Front and rear parking sensors can stand on this car as well, making it a nice addition. You can park up without worrying about damaging your car. The boot, absolutely loads of space in here. The adjustable boot floor currently is in its lowest setting. You also get 60-40 split folding seats as well, to make even more space in here. Just jump into the front of the vehicle now. You've got your height adjustable seat. You've also got a nice addition to the lumbar support as well. Just going to have a close look at those lovely seats. You've just got the iron dash pads on the dashboard and a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. That concludes a 360 walk around. In the moment I'm just going to jump behind the wheel and go through some of the features, but if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. It's just behind the wheel now, so you've got your automatic headlights and wipers. You also get heated mirrors and also power folding as well. From the left hand side, you've got your volume control and your adaptive cruise controls. On the right hand side controls all information on this beautiful all new digital display here. So it's fully customizable depending on what information you want to see, so all your driving data such as your range and your miles per gallon, etc. You can also have your navigation maps in the middle there as well. Plenty of assistance systems including the new lane assist as well. Digital radios on here as well. You've got gesture control for the screen. Absolutely loads of storage for all your favourite stations. You get multiple media inputs as well, of course including your Bluetooth to keep you connected while on the move at all times. Got the nice addition of the sat nav. It's nice and easy to use. Got points of interest on there as well. Alongside that you get the brilliant App Connect system giving you AndroidAuto and AppleCarPlay, and you can mirror apps from your smartphone such as Google Maps and Spotify. Move a little bit further down the cabin. In this trim you also get the new climate control with the new touchscreen system, really easy to use. Also both keeps the driver and front passenger happy at all times at different temperatures. Just below that you've got a couple of new charging points and also a little bit of storage as well. A couple of cup holders down the centre and also an armrest to get a little bit of storage in there as well to keep any valuables out of sight. Really nicely designed cabin, loads of features to keep you entertained. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or you'd like to book in for an appointment, I'm going to give our friendly sales team a call on 01270 864 452. This car is a brand new car and it is readily available for immediate delivery, so why not secure your car now? Don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options as well. Thanks very much, take care.